All right, language explorers, let's have a look at this Saturday's phrasal verb. So dry up. Dry. Yeah, when there's no water. When there's no water, for example, yes. No water, maybe a glass of water. Yeah, yeah, here we are. No, oh, not quite. Yeah. Yeah. So when there's no glass, there's no water, it's all dry. Yeah. No water. Nothing to drink. So to make something dry and get rid of the water in it. Can you dry up the clothes? Oh, the ground has already dried up. Yeah. Yeah. But also like to get rid of something. To get rid of something, like all hope has dried up. Yeah. All my ideas are all dried up. Yeah, dried up. Can do nothing. All dried up. We're drying them up as fast as we can. The clothes are being dried up as fast as we can. Yeah. They think that the swimming pool dried up last night. All the water left, dried up, so it looks like this almost. The ground has dried up. The ground has dried up over the years because there hasn't been any rain. The ground is all dried up. There hasn't been rain in a long time. How cool is that? The clothes dried up fast. The clothes dried up fast, yeah. They are drying up now in the wind, yeah. When you hang the clothes up, they will dry faster. But if the clothes are in a tumbling machine, then they can dry up even faster. Dry faster, it'll dry up even faster in a tumbling machine, yeah, a drying machine. Soon you'll have to dry them up again, yeah. Maybe if you could say dry up the table. Not really. Dry up the clothes, dry up the mess. The ground has been dried up. The river is dried up. The river is dried up during or in the summer. During the summer, the rivers dry up, or the rivers dry up. During the summer, the river dries up. Yeah, the river dries up. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So dry up, to get rid of water, or to get rid of hope. All hope is dried up. All my ideas have dried up. Yeah. Nothing worked. Wow. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, so dry up. Now, can you use dry up in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. Yeah. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. As well as on Udemy by searching for my name, Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.